Buenos dias, everybody, on this happy Sunday. Yeah, buenos dias. You know, Seahawks aren't doing too good in this first half, but that's okay. That's okay. They'll get it in the second half. They got to have their Phillip Rivers story, but that's another video. So, you know, I always talk about giving back. I always talk about doing what's right. So, I've had this ongoing customer that's had a problem with his Bosch 5-zone mini split system. I've done everything I can. I've gone through tech support. I've had a tech support rep on site. We replaced the unit, replaced circuit boards on it, and he still has problems with it. So what happened a few months ago is, I mean, he was at wit's end, and I'm at wit's end because I like to take care of my customers. And all of a sudden, they decided. I decided to get a hold of my local regional district rep for Johnstone Supply, who sells Bosch equipment. And they acted like they never heard about this before, which is pretty fucking ridiculous because we've gone through all the avenues. So now we're starting over again. And it's not right. I'm gonna keep this video pretty brief, but they told me that they lost all the information that I gave them. And I'm talking about 2 years worth of my customer messaging Bosch technical support, me messaging Bosch technical support, basically an email thread that's probably 50 pages long, them asking stupid questions. I think it's automated. It might be AI. I don't know. They finally, you know, to talk to somebody on the phone takes an act of God. And I'm about at the point where I'm going to start bad-mouthing Bosch. If they want to do a defamation lawsuit, go ahead. You fucked over my customer, and I'm tired of it. So I got a phone call tomorrow with this guy who's from this company called Pac West, which I guess handles the technical stuff for Bosch in the Pacific Northwest. And this phone call better go well because I don't care. What are you going to do to me? You're gonna take me to court? Go ahead. You guys sold my customer a shitty system that has never worked right from the get-go. And you want to call me out and tell me that I didn't size it right, blah blah blah. I should be able to put a 6,000 BTU unit in a bedroom and have it work. Not overheat the room, not overcool the room. Not have a living room wall unit that doesn't keep up, because these are hyperheat units. They're supposed to work down to negative temperatures. It was only 20 degrees out. My customer called me up and told me that the system was 64 in his room and it was set at 70. And this unit is plenty big. They modulate. If anybody understands how ductless units work, they would know that you guys are full of shit and you're trying to cover your ass because your system doesn't fucking work. But that's not what I really wanted to talk about here. So this same customer, he's a really nice guy, a really nice family. He's got good kids. Everybody has good upbringing, God-fearing, beautiful people. The guy couldn't be nicer, couldn't be more understanding. And couldn't be more. Honestly, if and I'm gonna flat out say it right now. If this customer was a liberal, I'd have been fucked a long time ago. My nicest customers are these types of people: conservative, Christian, Republicans. And I'm sorry, I don't want to get political, but it's the damn truth. Because anytime I go down to Bend, Oregon, which is the big city here in town, of course, it's a big city. So it's got the liberal leftist, anti-American assholes. If one thing goes wrong on their project, it becomes a complete shit show. They don't have any understanding. They think you're trying to screw them over because their whole mentality, that whole side of politics is fucking people over because they're so used to doing it to each other, aren't they? They are. Those people fuck each other over on a daily basis, and they think that you're trying to do that to them when you're trying to do the right thing for them. So back to my customer's job. If it doesn't work out here in the next couple weeks, I'm going to rip out that Bosch system, and I'm going to put in a Mitsubishi that I know will work, and they'll be comfortable. So I will do the right thing. Out of my pocket, I'm going to yank that out. I mean, I don't know if I can repurpose it somewhere. This is ongoing, guys. This has been 2 years of, we even swapped out the heat pump. We swapped out circuit boards. We've done everything imaginable on this, and Bosch has not stepped up. Bosch, Medea, whatever you want to call it. They screwed this customer over, and it's not right. It's not right, man. It really isn't. So, but I will make it right. And they can go fuck off, just like Johnstone can fuck off too, if they don't make this right. And I'm calling them out right now, and I'm going to send this to my regional manager and show him that you guys aren't doing what's right. That's it. So anyway, the customer that this problem is going on with came over today, and he came and got my bottles and cans. His daughter, they're planning a trip, I think next year or something, to go to Japan or something. It's something post high school, or maybe it is during high school. I don't know how old she is. So they can put some money towards that. I gave them an extra $100 bill just because I feel bad for them. No, well, it's not because I feel bad for. Even if I didn't, I would give an extra $100. I give a lot. I do a lot of charity work. I got some coming up. I got some on the back burner just because things have been slow. So, you know, I'm here to help people if I can. I'll give you the shirt off my back. I don't really give a shit about money. I never have. I don't care about any of it. I just want to have a comfortable life, be able to watch my Seahawks football games, take care of my family, have a couple beers, and enjoy life. And we'll leave it at that. But just wanted to tell you guys a story about what's going on right now. You know, if you guys want a really good, awesome... Sorry about that, my camera cut off, but what I was saying was, if you guys want an awesome HVAC company in Central Oregon that'll be there when you need them, somebody that will do what's right, not try to screw you over, and give you an honest price, and give you the skinny on what's going on out there. Because I know a lot of people are getting ripped off in my area. I know goddamn well they are, and it pisses me off on a daily basis. You're getting ripped off. Let me help you. I'm here to help. That's why I'm here on YouTube. I have the potential for millions of people to see this, and that's what I want. So I'm giving you the straight. Information on what's going on. I am. If you think I'm full of shit, go ahead. Talk to my wife. She knows I'm not full of shit. She knows I'm the real deal. Talk to my family. I'm the real deal. I don't screw around. My friends know that if you hear something from me, you're pretty much getting what's really happening. So let's stop the video, because I'm about to get pissed off, because, you know, there's a lot of people going to wake up someday when I'm gone and know they were wrong about me and wrong about things. And that's all I'm going to say. I'm out.